Hey guys, so I'm trying to get this video out as quickly as I possibly can. So if you guys remember what I showed you in this video right here, a lot of you guys have been really interested in that software and sent me a bunch of emails about it. And until tomorrow, February 26th, they're having a massive 40% off sale, but it's not just for 1 month, it's for the entire lifetime of your subscription. So it's a monthly subscription, and so you basically get 40% off for the rest of your freaking time that you use it, which is a massive sale. Obviously the savings there are completely tremendous. So this is something they never do, so I'm trying to get this video out as quickly as I can. So as you can see right here, there's this simple video made by Brainy Dose. It has over 1 million views, and you can put together a video just like this in about 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you how to do it.
But even more so when it comes to romantic feelings, especially when it comes to men. Does he truly love you and want to be with you, or does he have other intentions?
So as you can see right there, all that is Creative Commons clips put together with voiceover over the video and some text as well. And so I'm going to show you how you can make a video just like this in about 5 minutes, okay? So right in here, what you'll see is I basically watched the video and I put the words into my own words. So I just slightly changed the words that were in the video to kind of make it my own, right? So it's the same sort of script, but I basically just changed the words to make them, you know, different, okay? So now I have this script right here. So now I'm going to copy this script right here. And now I'm going to go into this software right here. I'm going to click Create New Video. So now we have all these templates that we can choose from, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just use the cool view. Actually, I will use Viral Blue. We'll use Viral Blue, all right? So now we'll just click Use This Template. So then we'll name this Test Video. All right, and so now we'll put in the script right here and click Create Scenes. So now what's really cool is it's gonna go in, and this is all really fast, so this is all real time right here. And so as you can see, it picked clips for you that match the words that are being said. So as you can see right here, if we go and look at all of this, you can go scene by scene and then just scroll down. So this can be... And so, as you can see right here, it's picking clips that make sense. So, if you're struggling with this problem, maybe our list will help you find a solution. So now you can see it's him looking for a solution to a problem. So it's putting in videos that match, and these come from Storyblocks. So these are videos that come from Storyblocks, which usually it's like $350 a year to get Storyblocks, which is something that I use for my videos, and it just comes right in here. And so as you can see right here, one of the area of relationships that can encounter hardship is showing respect. And so it shows a hardship ahead sign. What's crazy is every time you put in the script, it will be a completely different video. So that's why it's always a completely unique video. So if I went out and I came back in and I put the script in again, it'd be a whole new video. It'd be a whole new, it would be all new videos that they would put in. It would be different videos that match, okay? So a guy who loves you will always love and respect you as a person, right? He will respect your choices, so you can see he's kind of clapping for respect. It is important for a lasting relationship, so it's a relationship video right there. And so what's cool is you can go in here and change any of these. So if it messes up and doesn't really make sense, like this can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, this one doesn't really make that much sense. So we can go in here, so we can just click on this one right here and put problem, and just, you can change what it is. So for this one, I think something like this where he's stressed out would work better, so you can just quickly change it, right? So does he really care about you? I don't really like that one. So we can go in here and do something like this one. Or like something like this. Does he really care about you? It's like she's thinking about it, right? So again, it's really simple to basically edit this video. Does he have ulterior motives? So we'll see if we can find a better one here. So we'll type in man right here. And this one looks funny. So, or does he have ulterior motives? And so as you can see, it looks like he has ulterior motives, right? So it's really easy to change these to whatever you want. It's understandable to not want to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't want one with you. All right. So as you can see, it's matching everything for you. And so basically, you can edit whatever you want, but you don't have to match any of this stuff together. And so as you can see here, what's really cool is you can also upload your own. So say you want to make a LeBron James highlight video or something, or a documentary, right? And you don't want to go into an editor and put all the videos in there and match up the timing with the script and the voiceover and the words, and you don't want to match all that. You can just grab LeBron James clips, upload them yourself, put in the script, and the script will literally, and so you can put in the script, and then you can just put in the LeBron James clips. And so basically you're editing the video really quickly, all with clips that you uploaded yourself. So that's another way you can do it. So you don't have to use these. But as you can see, it's no different than what basically Brainy Dose does. So as you can see here, Brainy Dose does the same sort of thing, right? And so with this, you don't even have to put it together or find the clips. They're already there, right? All right, so then after that, you can change any of this stuff. You can change the way the words look. You can change all of that. So then what's really cool, so I'm going to upload my own track. So I actually just uploaded a voiceover doing the script that I showed you guys. And so I'm going to drop that in here really quickly. So as you can see right here, voiceover for video. And so I'm just going to plop in the voiceover that I created. And the coolest thing about this, guys, is that basically in 5 minutes, you have a video where, you know, it's all Creative Commons, it's all unique content, the words are matching the video clips, right? And it will automatically match my voiceover to the script and the words and the video. So, as you can see, I haven't done anything, right? It's all going to just match by itself, okay? Which is what is so amazing about this. So let's preview the video. And you'll see in about 5 minutes, I just had a video just like Brainy Dose. It took me 5 minutes to do, okay? So as you can see, it's loading up right now. It's super fast. Now watch this.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors.
And what's cool is there is like hundreds of songs from Storyblocks where you can basically change the music to whatever you want. So you can use any of these. And there's all these different moods, all these different genres of music that you can match to the video. So for this video, we'll just go ahead and use this top one right here, uplifting, upbeat. And so now you can go in here and you can change whatever you want. So you can't really hear the voiceover as much. You can see exactly what's going on here. And so as you can see, we'll go ahead and play the video. And what's really cool is you can put in a watermark too. So I can go in here, I can name the watermark, and I'll just do my By 9 to 5 logo, and then I'll upload it. Alright, so I'm uploading my logo right now, and then you can grab it and move it wherever you want, and then you can make it opaque, which is really cool. So now it's just like barely visible, right? And then you can make it as big or small as you want, and just move that right there. Alright, now we'll go ahead and save that. And then, so that's really cool. Alright, so as you can see, I haven't done anything. I haven't changed the timing. I haven't messed with anything. All I did was record the voiceover, put the script in, and it's going to match it all by itself. Putting in clips that I didn't even have to choose unless I wanted to. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, especially with men.
This is awesome,
Does he
dude.
really care about you? Or does he have ulterior?
That's awesome.
It's understandable to not want to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't want one with you. If you're struggling with this problem, maybe our list will help you find the solution.
Super cool.
Number 1, he will treat you respectfully.
And it's all matching by itself, guys. That's what's so cool about
One
it.
area of relationships that can encounter hardship is showing respect. A guy who loves you will always respect and love you as a person. He will respect your choices, beliefs, and ideas. It is important for any lasting relationship.
Super cool.
Even if he doesn't always agree with you, he will respect your ideas and feelings. Number 2, a man who cares for you will always listen to you and remember what you mentioned. He will do his best to listen to everything you have to say. Number 3, he will listen to your advice and take it to heart. Men are defensive and prefer to figure things out by themselves. When he knows you believe in him, he will begin to
That's so
appreciate
cool, dude.
your advice. Number 4, he will fight for you. Sometimes this can mean fighting with you. Arguments don't always mean bad times for the
And so you could have
relationship.
changed that to whatever
It
you
could be a
wanted.
sign that
I
he's
just did this
making
really
you work
quickly.
and he's committed to you.
So as you can see, I literally made a video just like this one.
And a man who
So as you can see, I literally made a video just like this one.
you mentioned, he will do his best.
Literally just like that one. I just made a video like that in about 5 minutes, alright? And so the other really cool thing is if you don't want to record your own voice and you don't want to outsource commentary, you can also do auto voice. So it will read the script that you put in there and it will do an auto voice for you. So you can do...
Hi, my name is Heidi, and I would love to read the script.
So she can read the script for you. There's all these different voices. So you can do like Luke.
Hi, my name is Luke, and I would love to read the script for your video.
See, so you can do all those different voices as well.
Hi, my name is Harvey, and I would love to read the script for your video.
Hi, my name is Oscar.
And so you can put any of those in and have the auto voice do the script for you as well. So that's another option that you get within this software as well. A lot of you guys, you don't like editing videos, right? It takes a while to match the words to the clips and to match the text over the... You don't have to do any of that. It does it for you. And if you want to put your own clips in there, you can do that as well. And so as you can see, it's already done. So super simple. And so there's a bunch of other stuff you can do here too. So you can do influencer ads right here. So different like ads, and it'll do the same sort of thing. All these different templates that you can use. Sales video ads, so like you can do this one. You can look at what the example is. So as you can see, it will kind of go back to this main screen right here, and then it'll drop in clips whenever you want, basically, as you can see. And it zooms in just like always and all of those sort of things.